Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we bring you daily tech reviews designed to boost your builds and upgrade your performance. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Patriot Viper Steel DDR4 RAM 64GB 2x32GB 3200MHz CL16, a kit that's all about high-capacity power, tight latency, and pure reliability. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K video, running multiple VMs, or juggling dozens of browser tabs, this dual-channel 64GB kit is designed to handle it all. With two 32GB modules, you're future-proofing your setup and ensuring enough headroom for even the most demanding workflows. What makes this kit shine is its balance of 3200 MHz clock speed with a tight CL16 latency, a rare sweet spot in the DDR4 market. You get fast memory bandwidth without sacrificing responsiveness or introducing extra latency. Whether you're gaming at high settings or editing huge media files, this kit keeps everything flowing seamlessly. Setup is a breeze thanks to XMP 2.0 compatibility. Simply enable the profile in your BIOS and you're running at optimal performance in seconds, no manual tweaking required. It's plug-and-play power for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. On the design side, the Viper Steel heat spreaders are sleek, bold, and functional. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, they not only add a stealthy industrial look to your rig but also ensure effective heat dissipation under heavy workloads. There's no RGB here, just pure performance-focused design for serious builders. This RAM kit is AMD and Intel compatible, making it perfect for everything from Ryzen 5000 and 7000 builds to Intel 10th, 11th, and 12th Gen setups. And with Patriot's reputation for reliability and a limited lifetime warranty, you're getting serious long-term value. If you're looking for a high-capacity, rock-solid DDR4 kit with great speeds, tight latency, and zero flash, the Patriot Viper Steel 64GB 3200 MHz CL16 is one of the best options available today. Like what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe for more daily tech reviews, and check the link below to grab this beast for your next build. See you in the next one.